Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Monday motivation video, and today we're going to be talking about how to be productive in the summertime. When I mentioned this to my sister, she's like,
who wants to be productive in the summer?
but the reason I created this is just because what I mean by productive is not like you actually doing like a whole bunch of work. It's just not being in bed the whole day. So yeah, I have 4 things that I'm gonna 4 tips so that you can stay productive during the summer. So the first one is don't stay up too late, and also you should wake up at a decent time every single day. And a decent time, I don't mean like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. I mean like not like at 2 in the afternoon. That's just way too late in the day. And I feel like you just won't get anything done. And plus, if you wake up a little earlier than like 2 in the morning, like I said, you can get way more done, you can achieve more. And yeah, tip number 2 is to exercise. So this can either be going to the gym, going for a walk, or going for a run. You don't have to do something, you don't have to go to the gym. You could just go for a quick walk around your neighborhood or something like that. And by doing this, you'll feel so much better, and it also is going to help your mental health, because staying in bed all day, every day can take a toll on your mental health, especially if you're just like scrolling through social media and seeing how perfect other people's lives are and all of that. My third tip is to plan out your day. I don't mean like you have a thing where it's like 9 a.m. wake up, 10 a.m. eat breakfast, or then 11 do this. I mean, like, just have a general idea of what you want to achieve for the day. So for me, I usually have around like 3 to 4 things. It's like, okay, I'm gonna film some videos, edit, make thumbnails, do some organizing, plan videos. Or you could be like, okay, I'm gonna organize my closet, I'm gonna take my car in for a car wash, I'm gonna get groceries, I'm gonna go to the gym. Just simple things like that. It doesn't have to be huge, impossible things, and it doesn't have to be this huge list where you have like 20 items and it's impossible to achieve all of it. Okay, and my 4th and final tip is to make your bed. This tip is very crucial, because if you don't make your bed, it becomes way more inviting to just lay there, and then you can just take naps. And it also makes your room look so much cleaner than it does when your bed's not made. I wrote this tip down for myself too, because if my bed's not made, I'm just gonna say like, well, I'm just gonna lie down for like 5 minutes, and I end up taking like a 2-hour nap, and I didn't really get to do anything with my day. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed these tips. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because I'm uploading every single day this week. So you're gonna have 8 videos in a row technically, because I'm uploading Monday to Sunday, and I upload on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays usually. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye guys.